Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how we can use the fetch API function of JavaScript to fetch the data, this type of data, JSON data from the internet, and how we can use and display information from this JSON file or some other JSON file in the HTML page in table format. So this is the API that we are going to use, and here this API having a login name and avatar underscore URL is the path of the image. So we are going to display name and image in our application. So here I am just taking the fetch function, and here in this fetch function I am passing the URL for the JSON file. Now I just call then, because it's a promise. In a promise we can call then, and under this it will get the response, and this response we are going to have here in form of response.json like this. And once again I am also calling this response.json because this is the array type, and now I want to get the data from this. So once again I am calling then, and here I am just calling the data because it's a data that we are going to display, and here we are going to first check the data is coming or not. So I am using log and I am passing here data. So if I save this and I run this HTML page, you see this HTML page, we have a normal HTML page and I am including here the JavaScript. So I am going to run it in a live server, and I am going to check that whether this file is fetching the information or not. So we can check it by the F12 method. You see the array is coming, so this information is fetching. You see this information is coming by using the fetch function. So that data we are going to display here in HTML page in a tabular form. So for that I am just creating here the table and putting the ID here TBL data like this. Here is this is the table, and here I am just using the style to set the information of table like this, table data tr and th td data, and I want to set here the border, that is 1 pixel, solid, and color is red like this. I want to save this information. I want to create a table at runtime. Now I am going here. So here in this portion of then close I am going to access the table. So let table equal to document dot get element by id, and here I am passing the id table data like this. We have this id here, table data. So I am fetching here this information here, and with the help of this we are going to create a table. So first of all I am just going to use a for loop, and from the for I am just trying to get the row from the data. We can say index from the data. Under this I am going to fetch the information. I am going to display this information. So what I am doing, first of all I have to create a table row. So I say table row equal to table dot insert row like this, and here I am passing table dot rows dot length property like this, rows dot length. So it will insert one row. Under the row I want to create one cell, so I say table cell and I say table row dot insert cell, and here I am passing the index for 0. First cell I want to insert. Under this table cell I want to insert inner HTML like this. Here I want to display the name of the person, so that name will come data dot, here I say index and then I say login like this. I save it and I try to run it and I check the information is coming or not. You see the usernames are coming. So for that I can also write header also. If I try to write header, so I can give header also. Here I can say that let table head table head equal to table dot insert row, and here I say at 0 number we want to insert this, and this table head dot inner HTML is equal to, I say bold means B, and I say username like this. And if I save it and run it again, you see the username is coming here. Very simple. And this is this we can say this is th, because it's heading also, so I say th and I just block th like this, and I try to run it again. Yeah, it is coming here like this. Now I insert one more for images of a person, so I say table head 2, second one, this is table head 1, and we can say table head 1, and here I say table head 2 like this, and here I say image like this. If I run again, so I will insert it on one place, not on, sorry, this is table row, and I have to insert table cell also, table row and then table cell. So I say let table cell head 1 cell, I say equal to table dot insert cell 0 like this, and now I say head 1 cell, again same, insert here, insert cell 1, second one, and I say head 2 head 1, just a name, I am just giving a name, head 1, yeah, head 2 head 1 cell 2 like this. I say head 1 cell 2 and I save it and I refresh it, nothing is coming, some problem is. So row is created, should come, no, data is not coming. Error is what? Insert cell. Okay, insert cell, not a function. Okay, problem is here. That is the problem. Problem is there that I create a row but I am creating here cell with the table name. So this is header cell, header row. I say head row, and with this head row I have to create table head row, then I have to create cell. This is heads one cell, and I just copy this once again and I paste it again, and this is insert cell 1 for row 1, and I say it is head 1 cell 2. This is also cell 2, and here I say images, and I save it and I run it. Insert cell, and this is also insert cell. Done. You see, second row is coming for image like this. Now I have to put the images. So here I have to insert one more cell. So I copy this and I paste it, and here this is the cell 2, and this is also cell 2, image cell, and here I have to create the image img src equal to, then equal to plus, and here I have to pass the avatar URL, then I have to plus double quote, and here closing image tag, and here I am telling width equal to 100 pixel and height equal to 100 pixel like this, and I save it, and you will see that all images are coming. So in place of username is coming. So what I have to do here, cell 1, I have to say cell 1, refresh again, and you see the username is coming. Just close this. You see in a table username is coming, the images are coming, everything is working fine. You see this data I am fetching with the help of fetch function, and with the help of fetch function dynamically I am creating a table and I am inserting information in it. So you can see how useful this method is. So with this method we can fetch the information from the JSON file, from other text file or some other resources from the internet, and we can use those information as per our requirement. As I have given the example, you see the data is coming from the JSON file. If you want to check, you see this avatar URL, if you want to check this, and here if I run this, you will see the image of the person. The same image is coming here also. So you can see that this data is available on GitHub free of cost for testing your application. So here with the help of fetch keyword we have tested the code, and we have also checked the benefit of this fetch function or API, that is using the promises inside it, and it is also the example of asynchronous programming in JavaScript. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.